Greetings, fellow explorers. Today, buckle up for an extraordinary journey as we unveil the top 10 weirdest animals that will challenge your perception of the natural world. From the regenerating axolotl to the deep-sea-dwelling Dumbo octopus, each creature we're about to explore boasts unique characteristics that make them stand out in the animal kingdom. So, are you ready to embark on this wild ride into the unknown? Without further ado, let's dive into the fascinating world of weird animals. First up, we have the axolotl, a mesmerizing Mexican salamander. This intriguing creature is a master of disguise, hiding in the muddy bottoms of Xochimilco's waterways. What sets the axolotl apart is its remarkable ability to retain its juvenile features throughout its life. This phenomenon, known as neoteny, means that unlike other salamanders, axolotls never undergo a complete metamorphosis from their larval stage. So they keep their adorable fringe gills and aquatic lifestyle even as adults. But the real showstopper is their almost supernatural regenerative abilities. Imagine being able to regrow an entire limb, heart, or even parts of your brain and spinal cord. Well, for axolotls, this is just another day in the pond. Their extraordinary cellular processes allow them to heal without scarring, and they can repeat this process over and over again throughout their lives. A true testament to nature's wonder, isn't it? In the 9th spot, we dive into the mysterious depths to discover the blobfish. This enigmatic creature hails from the deep waters off the coasts of Australia and Tasmania. You might think it's been named for its distinctive, somewhat comical appearance. But in fact, its gelatinous, blob-like physique serves a crucial purpose. The blobfish's body, less dense than water, allows it to float effortlessly above the seafloor without wasting energy on swimming. It's perfectly adapted to the extreme pressures of the deep sea, which can be up to 100 times greater than at sea level, and it doesn't stop there. The blobfish is a master of energy conservation. It hardly moves, waiting for edible matter to float into its mouth. Its peculiar, almost cartoon-like features are rarely seen by human eyes due to its deep-sea habitat. The blobfish truly embodies the phrase, "Beauty is in the eye of the beholder," a creature that challenges our perception of beauty, wouldn't you agree? Coming in at number 8 is the mantis shrimp, a marine marvel with astonishing punching power. This vibrant creature, found in the warm waters of the Indian and Pacific Oceans, is not your average crustacean. The mantis shrimp is renowned for its incredibly swift and powerful claws, which it uses with lethal precision. Imagine, if you will, the fastest punch in the world delivered by an underwater boxer smaller than your hand. When the mantis shrimp strikes, it does so with the speed of a bullet, and its impact is so potent that it creates cavitation bubbles. These bubbles momentarily produce intense heat and light underwater, akin to the surface of the sun, before collapsing with a stunning pop. This spectacular display of strength and speed isn't just for show, though. It's an effective hunting technique, allowing the mantis shrimp to stun or even kill its prey instantly. A marine warrior in full glory, it truly is. Say hello to the ii, our 7th contender. This peculiar lemur hails from the mysterious islands of Madagascar and is sure to captivate you with its distinctive looks. But the most intriguing aspect of the ii isn't its odd appearance, it's the long, thin, witch-like middle finger. This finger is no ordinary digit. The ii uses it in a technique called percussive foraging. Tapping on tree trunks and branches up to 8 times per second, it listens for the echo produced to locate hollow chambers. Once it detects the telltale signs of a meal, it gnaws a hole in the wood and uses the same elongated finger to fish out grubs and insects. It's a bit like having your own built-in snack vending machine. This strange yet effective adaptation allows the ii to access a food source that other predators can't. A unique adaptation for survival, wouldn't you say? Taking the 6th spot is the narwhal, the ocean's unicorn. This aquatic creature, dwelling in the frigid Arctic waters, holds a captivating secret. Contrary to what folklore would have you believe, the narwhal's long, spiraling tusk is not a horn at all, but a unique tooth. Extending up to 10 feet long, This remarkable tusk is a sensory organ of sorts, packed with millions of nerve endings. Scientists believe it helps the narwhal sense changes in the water's salinity, temperature, and pressure, providing crucial information about the environment. Some even suggest it plays a role in social interactions, perhaps even in mate selection. And while the tusk is more commonly seen on males, females can occasionally sport one too, further deepening the enigma of this marine mammal. The narwhal, with its mythical appearance and astounding adaptations, truly embodies the marvels of evolution. A fascinating blend of myth and reality, isn't it? Zooming into the top 5, the star-nosed mole is a tunneling expert. This subterranean dweller from North America's wetlands has a truly distinctive feature, its star-shaped nose. But this isn't merely for show. This unique organ is a sensory powerhouse, covered with 22 fleshy tentacles that are ultra-sensitive to touch and vibrations. The mole's star nose is its secret weapon. Buried in the dark, the mole uses this to navigate the underground tunnels, feeling its way around with speed and precision. And when it comes to dinner time, this extraordinary nose comes into its own. The mole can identify and consume small invertebrates faster than the human eye can follow, in just a quarter of a second. This mole's fascinating adaptation is a testament to the power of evolution, demonstrating how creatures can develop the most extraordinary features to survive in their specific environments. The star-nosed mole, a marvel of evolution indeed. Swinging into the 4th position are the sloths. These fascinating creatures of the treetops have a lifestyle that's all about taking it slow. In fact, their name has become synonymous with laziness and sluggishness. But don't let their laid-back approach fool you. This slow-motion lifestyle is a brilliant survival strategy that helps them conserve energy. Living life in the slow lane also has another intriguing result. Sloths have a unique microhabitat thriving right on their fur. Over time, their thick coats gather a community of moths, beetles, and even algae. This green hue from the algae not only provides the sloth with a handy camouflage, blending them into the leafy canopies, but it also offers a tasty snack. Yes, you heard it right. When food is scarce, sloths have been known to lick the algae off their fur for a quick bite. A testament to nature's ingenuity, wouldn't you agree? In the bronze medal spot is the platypus, a true oddity among mammals. This Australian native leaves everyone puzzled with its unusual combination of features. It's a creature that seems to have borrowed traits from multiple animals, making it a fascinating study for biologists. First off, the platypus sports a bill that's strikingly similar to a duck's. This bill is not just for show. It's a sensory organ with the ability to detect electric fields produced by all living things. It's a handy tool for finding food, especially in the dark and murky waters where the platypus often hunts. Furthermore, the platypus has webbed feet, much like an otter, aiding in swift and agile movements underwater. But here's the real kicker. Unlike most mammals, the platypus lays eggs. Yes, eggs. It's one of the few mammals known as monotremes that do so. And for the finishing touch, male platypuses have venomous spurs on their hind legs. An intriguing enigma of nature, isn't it? Grabbing the silver medal is the vampire squid. This eerie denizen of the deep sea, despite its chilling name, is far from the bloodsucker its moniker suggests. The vampire squid is a unique creature that swims the inky blackness of the ocean's twilight zone, over 2,000 feet below the surface. Its name derives from its dark, cloak-like webbing and glowing red eyes, but it's what lies beneath the surface that truly fascinates. Equipped with bioluminescent organs, known as photophores, the vampire squid can emit a disorienting light show to confuse and deter would-be predators. This display of lights is not just a warning sign, it's also a dazzling spectacle in the pitch-black environment. But the vampire squid is more than just a pretty light show. It's a testament to life's adaptability, thriving in an environment where few other creatures can survive. It truly is a master of the deep, navigating its world with a touch of gothic flair. A dazzling spectacle of the deep, wouldn't you agree? Drumroll, please. Taking the gold for the weirdest animal is the Dumbo octopus. This cute little cephalopod might not be what you'd typically envision when you think of an octopus. Named after the beloved Disney character Dumbo, this octopus sports two prominent, ear-like fins that give it an almost cartoonish appearance. But these fins aren't just for show. They play a crucial role in the Dumbo octopus's survival in the deep sea. They help the octopus to swim gracefully through the ocean depths, where light is scarce and pressure is immense. This octopus is a master of the deep, living further down than any other octopus species. It thrives in an environment that's alien to most other life forms. It's a testament to the incredible adaptability of nature and how life can find a way even in the most challenging of habitats. A charming ambassador from the ocean depths, wouldn't you say? There you have it. A closer look at the top 10 weirdest animals that showcase the incredible diversity of our planet. Isn't it fascinating how these creatures, each in their unique way, challenge our understanding of the natural world? Remember to share your thoughts. We'd love to know which one amazed you the most. And don't forget to hit the like button, share this adventure, and subscribe for more mind-blowing discoveries. Until next time, keep exploring and stay awe-inspired.